guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess where I am today? I'm at Desaru with Jasher and Shavita, who is coming on the way. So we are here for the Ombak festival and I'm gonna bring you guys along for day 1 and day 2. We're gonna eat, we are gonna bring you guys along, and I hope you guys can hear us because the music is playing and there's dope AF lineups and I can't wait. But honestly though, I can't wait for the food. And
Yeah,
this is my
I
fit for today. Yeah, that's all you care about. I wanted to wear something different, but they forced me to wear something black. So that's why it's a very last minute outfit. Let's go.
So, jom.
Jom.
Where are we? You tell them already, huh?
Yeah. Such a lame vlogger.
What should I tell them?
Talk to them.
Okay.
Say how you feel.
I'm very nervous.
Just be yourself.
This is my first time going to a festival.
What the fuck? So lame of you.
So what? Okay, saya biasa already. I so black, yeah.
You are black.
How to show them? Wait, I want to show them.
Oh shit.
One more. Calling with her maple. Maple. This is a family festival and see how she's dressing. Why?
Yes guys, if you guys think that I am the one that always creates content, it's my sister. Okay guys, first up we are gonna head over to the Hard Rock Hotel lobby for ticket collection.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Shavita's gonna go on a toilet break, so we'll wait.
Khesyinii. Should we? As a family, right?
And then ask Amma to come. We are going to the lobby to see this leaf. It's so cute, right? Yeah, yeah. Oh
Yeah.
wow, wow.
You're Malay.
Yes. What's the camera? Yeah, let's go to the lobby. Hi. Okay, so it's so hella fun down here, like literally down here. But now we are gonna head over to Westin. Huyan. Now we are gonna head over to Westin and go and grab our food because we have voucher. Yeah, so like let's go grab some food. I'm so excited and I'm gonna bring you guys along for more activities in day 2. But for as of food, I'm gonna cover you guys. So today's vlog is all gonna be about mukbang. Mukbang, mukbang. Mukbang, mukbang.
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 Okay. It's all gonna be about mukbang. So we're gonna eat and we're gonna take the buggy to Westin Desaru. Let's go! Parakas! Parakas? Yeah. Parakas!
Why the fuck she make me wear this, huh? And you see, she just wear her wristband. Senang kerja dia je. And itulah guys. We're going to take a buggy to where? West Coast. We're going to take a buggy to West Coast
Westin.
and go park there. Bye. We are on the bike. Nyam 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 nyam.
Which side do we go?
I think we should go there. Let's go.
wants shawarma. My subscribers, don't attack my subscribers.
Can I get extra cheese? They live with so much hotness, yeah, throughout the movie.
That's it. I hate cheese. Oh yeah, such a dumbass. That's my food. It's coming all the way. I didn't vlog much because I don't know if you guys can hear me. But we've been gobbling it up. Like the food is so good. This drink especially. This drink right here. It's the chili cloud. What's this called? Lemonade? What lemonade? This lemonade.
Yeah, but then they tak kedekut lah.
Yeah, they tak kedekut. Like
So much.
it's the size of my face.
How much?
25. Not bad. Not bad. Seriously, for like what? Like this thing, it's not bad. And it tastes good, so worth the money. Okay. Next is the chili cloud honey wings. This is the chili cloud honey wings, and this is perfect. I hope you guys can hear me because I don't have any other way to explain because it tastes so good. Next up is the croutons. What's this?
Nachos and cheese.
Nachos. It's not cheese. Nachos and cheese. Yummy, yummy. And then we had kunafa. Can you believe the variety of food here? We had kunafa. This is the red velvet kunafa.
Damn, that looks nice.
It does look good. And this is like the cheese kunafa. And I'm bringing this back to Amma because Amma loves kunafa.
You never
And now Shavita is gobbling up the spaghetti. This is the Assam Nyonya spaghetti.
So Malaysian style.
Yeah, it's Malaysian food. Oh my god, it tastes so good. I'm talking about like Malaysian food, like bala curry like that. Sedap gila mampus. Because that's what I order, and I never regret that I ordered that. See, not her, not stealing my food.
She's in her own world.
Yeah, she's in her own world.
She gets food, she's in her own world.
I see, she's not even lianing you guys, because that's how good the food is. Say hi. Hi. Okay, I got back my food, guys. Oh, she ate finish.
Can I try one more? This is like Malaysian food lah.
Tastes like you show the curry puff? Oh, I didn't. Curry is so good for you. My hair is so frizzy because of the wind. Yeah. And because I didn't use coil. Curry puff kentang. So nice. Is that pabrikan? Pabrikan? We'll bring you guys to the main stage in a bit. Let's gobble this up. My phone, baby, phone. My phone. Okay guys, so we are wrapping up today. We are gonna leave because it's no longer entertaining because they don't have anything after this and they are gonna close at like 11. So yeah, we'll just head back and see what else we can do around the hotel area. Day one is this? Day one completed! Woo!
Jalan-jalan lah sikit.
Day one completed. It's on to day two. I'll see you tomorrow. Day two.
Fit check.
Okay, this thing is ugly. Hi.
We just reached to Hard Rock Hotel
Okay.
and we wow.
Wow.
Wait.
My hair.
We just reached at Hard Rock Hotel and we are on our way to
The main stage because Joe Flizzo is performing at 7:30.
yes.
Okay, anyone want to go to the toilet?
It's dark so you guys fucking hell. It's dark so you guys can't see us. We are already gonna reach it's not the main stage.
Festival.
We are at Ombak Festival.
Yeah.
We are on our way to the main stage because who's gonna be there? Joe Flizzo, everybody!
Okay guys, so we are here right now. Just doing some checkups. I got even smaller back then.
Joe Flizzo is performing, guys.
Hold up. We got a spotlight on Caesar. Siapa nak masuk 16 baris tahun depan? Kena bayar dengan DJ Caesar.
Khesyuuu, memorize all of these songs.
Selamat sore Papa. Rumah irama.
We are back on food break. Good day, we got you water.
Can I spit something for the ladies?
Great. So we have to create content, but many people left. We went and grabbed food, but many people left. So we are now no longer vibing, but honestly, sitting down is a vibe.
Juga, Mak. You can walk on water.
I can. Cannot. I am. No.
I am.
I can.
How?
I can.
Okay, walk.
That's me. You
What?
dare me.
Walk.
What you will give me if I walk?
Okay, 5k.
Not enough. Not enough. Not enough. You don't have that.
I give you
Mummy.
a G-Wagon.
You can't do that.
Just say
Something,
you
something realistic. Something
just say
maybe
you can't-
walk now,
just say
we
you
give
can't walk on
after
water.
No, cannot. Then after
Okay,
I walk.
I watched your manga patron for the whole time you're here.
I can ask someone to wash.
Then what do you want us to do for you to walk on water?
Disown yourself as my mom's sons, children. Let me be the only child.
Oh, you think what you you think you Jesus ah?
I say I am. I am not Jesus, but I can walk on.
Okay guys, so fucker, we don't have to talk about it already. Let's go on our own vlog. So we just finished this. You come back already lah. We just finished the Ombak Festival.
Okay, we are wrapping up.
Yes.
Wrapping up the
We're
Ombak
going
Festival
back to where did we park?
at the Hard Rock Cafe.
Yeah, we're going back
in
to the Hard Rock
valley.
Cafe.
So we gotta quickly take the buggy.
We're not going on the bus, right?
No, you don't want to go on the bus, right?
Nah.
Let's wait for the buggy.
So we just watched who Joe Flizzo and Sonawan
Ooh,
performing.
Zona 1 entry was like
Unexpected.
Unexpected, yeah.
Yeah. So we
But-
see you guys on the buggy.
They reached the buggy.
We're on the bus. So
They were like, what the fuck are you doing? Vlogging, guys. Can you not?
sorry, yeah.
Vlogging in Malaysia is very awkward.
So we are at the Hard Rock shop. I don't know lah, just vlogging. I don't know how to vlog. Orang gila.
Okay guys, so let's end the vlog. So we are just waiting for the valet to bring our car.
Yes.
Till then, I hope you guys enjoy
This.
this. I don't know if you guys had enough shots, but we try our best. This is our first vlog together, like the three of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. No, like specifically just the three of us doing some kind of activity. But if you guys enjoy, give this video how many likes? So you all will come and
2K.
vlog 2K? 2K is like a lot.
500 likes.
500 likes. If we reach 500 likes,
We do this again.
we'll do this again. Okay, boy.